Rest. The ever-elusive thing we can't seem to catch. Perhaps rest need not be chased. A simple surrender to rest. Rest to our physical bodies is a healing or soothing balm. It refreshes us, rejuvenates us. Rest wants to be where you are. Rest is a companion, but one that we take for granted. Rest. She wants to hold you. Cradle, caress, rest. Sweet rest. The universe wants to remind us how valuable rest is. We are attracted to rest. Rest is attracted to us. Let us flirt, shall we? You finally made it to the plateau. A small clearing flanked by tall trees. Your backpack seems heavy, and you wearily shrug your arms out of it, being careful to remember to untie your sleeping bag and place it next to your backpack. You prop them up against a large stone that you now wearily sit with your back against. Hands on your knees, just tired. You raise your head, looking out beyond the clearing, where you welcome the sound of the waterfall. It's sharing whispered secrets of its encounters from the heights of the mountain to the depth of the pool below. You pull the rim of your wide hat lower on your forehead because the sun is in your eyes. You reach thirstily for your water bottle, only to remember that it is empty. More aware of the shrubbery heavy with its offering of blueberries, your mouth begins to water, and your stomach gurgles in anticipation of the tasty offering as you smell their delicate fragrance permeating the air. You push your arms against the boulder and stand to your feet. and make your way carefully over to the small alcove behind the waterfall. As you approach, the once whispers of the water become more like a shout in your ears. It's a beautiful sound, though. Not as jarring to your ears as you would have expected. The spray of the water as it lands on your cheeks seem to quench the outcry of your thirsty skin. You cup your hands and bring the crystal clear water to your parched lips. Never had you tasted such sweet nectar, passing crisp and cool through your lips as it gently caresses your throat. Every cell in your body rejoices as if bowing to the presence of sovereignty. With your thirst quenched, you make your way back to the blueberry bushes, where you gingerly pick one blueberry. Soon, one blueberry becomes many. And it's like you knew, once you tasted it, that it would be nothing short of glorious. You were not disappointed. Savoring every berry you had picked until your hunger was sated. With your thirst quenched and your hunger satisfied, you turn to take in the rest of the scenery. Your eye catches a movement. A hawk soaring above, teaching her younglings the art of coasting on the current. Their wings outstretched, turning where the current leads them, not lifting a feather to expend any energy. You are in awe of that wingspan, with such poise. The mother hawk, she floats as if suspended by invisible strings from the heavens. You stand and watch in amazement until you can no longer see her in the distance. Arms outstretched upwards, you yawn. The day has taken more of a toll than you realized. But you keep your eyes fixed on the horizon, determined to catch everything. Pink, purple, deep orange, even blue. Who is this master artist with his skillful brush streaking across the sky, a perfect palette of color, a stroke, a dab, a dollop, each color in perfect harmony, one with the other. With heavy feet and arms, you trudge your way back to the stone. You bend over and you pick up your sleeping bag. With a flick of the wrist, you snap it, unrolling. Too tired to even pitch your tent or set up a tarp, you wiggle your way into your sleeping bag and pull the hood over your head, tugging gently on the drawstring. Only your eyes are peeking out. The grass beneath your sleeping bag is soft. It cushions. It holds you. Laying on your back, you gaze up to the darkening sky. It seems as if someone rolled a dark mat across. One twinkle. Two twinkles. A shooting star. Quickly, make a wish. The Big Dipper. The Little Dipper. Is that Orion with its 7 prominent stars in perfect geometric alignment? Reminding you that the same care taken to sweeten the water, the same care that was taken to sweeten the blueberries, the same care that was taken to hold the hawk in the sky is the same care that suspends the sun, the moon, and the stars. That same care is also for you, your beauty, your strength, your talents, all come from the same place, and the same care was given. With this remembrance, you surrender to the heaviness of your eyelids. Your face relaxes. Your jaws relax. You feel the tension leave your body. The slowing down and the deepening of your every breath. it rolls ever so slowly and gently, like a warm blanket over your body. Sleep comforts, sleep cradles as you nestle further into your cozy sleeping bag. Surrender, surrender to